Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together.
Next, please.
Good afternoon, doctor. We came for a checkup.
Hello, boy. Don't be afraid. Be brave. Come in. Is the dog in pain?
No!
Let's weigh him. 10 kilograms. Lift up your right paw. Spin around. Lift up your left paw. Let's trim your nails. Turn your head to the right and wag your tail. Spin around. Turn your head to the left and wag your tail. Let's brush your teeth. Okay. Soft fur. Let's clean your ears.
Dog. Paw. Nail. Teeth. Tongue. Nose. Mouth. Whiskers. Eyes. Ears. Tail. Fur. Legs.
Okay, Sam, you're perfectly healthy, and you can go home. Goodbye.
See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.